Hello, everyone. My name is Matvii, and I'm honored to receive this award. I started Books Without Borders because I realized that Ukrainian children were having trouble because their libraries were getting damaged by the war. Through this project, I learned the power of the 4 Rs. We reuse books instead of throwing them away. We reduce waste and help our planet. We restore libraries so children can learn again. And most importantly, we rebuild hope. With the help of my classmates, friends, community, and teachers, we collected more than 10,000 books for children in Ukraine. This project taught me that you don't have to be big to make a big difference. Even one small book can help someone learn more knowledge, learning, and hope. Thank you for supporting Books Without Borders. Thank you.